I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Audi A5. So from any screen on there, if you go over here to the top left hand side button, nav, there you go. That's you've got destination down here, settings, info and tour, and these are 4 buttons here, and in each corner of the screen whatever instruction or word is there corresponds to one of these buttons. So destination, bottom left hand side, click destination, and there you can scroll round, last destination, address, directory, favorites. So we'll go to address, click the center of the button for address, and then we want to be going to postcode, so just navigate to postcode, town or postcode there. Postcode's easiest. Then you go onto a thumb wheel. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley Dale, Preston, P. Now we need to go to numbers. So 0 to 9 is there. We'll click the bottom right hand button. So we're PR5 4, and it'll automatically go back to letters J S. So Grosvenor Garage, Wantley Dale, Preston, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley Dale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and here we go down here. Destination on map, store in directory, start route guidance. So just navigate to start route guidance, which is the top one, and the others are add street, add set as stopover. So start route guidance, click.
Your route is being calculated.
That's it done.